Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a circle glider plane. First, gather your materials. You will need one sheet of standard printer paper, a pair of sharp scissors, and some adhesive tape. This project is incredibly easy and fun, perfect for a quick craft session. We will transform these simple items into a fantastic flying toy that provides hours of enjoyment. Now let's create the main body of our glider. Take your sheet of paper and fold it neatly in half. Using a pencil, draw a half circle on the folded edge, aiming for a full diameter of approximately 8 inches when unfolded. Precision here helps with flight. Carefully cut along your pencil line, and when you unfold it, you will have a perfectly round paper circle. Next, we will add the crucial wing and tail sections. Cut a straight strip of paper, roughly 1 inch wide and 6 inches long. Fold this strip exactly in half to create a V shape. Now, carefully attach the folded strip to the very edge of your main paper circle using a small piece of tape. This forms the essential aerodynamic shape for flight. It's time for the exciting part, the test flight. Hold your glider gently and launch it forward with a smooth, easy toss. Observe how it flies. If it dives too quickly, slightly adjust the angle of the wing and tail upwards. If it stalls, flatten them a bit. Experiment with different launch strengths to find the perfect balance for a long, graceful flight.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.